Hi everybody, and thanks for joining us again on the Real Estate Drive-Thru. We're your hosts, Ryan and Shubha, and we're here to answer all your real estate questions in under 3 minutes or it's free.
Thanks, Shubha. Today's question comes from Chris Matthews, and Chris asks, who are the important people I'm going to be working with during my home buying process? And that's a great question. One of the first persons you're going to want to talk to is a real estate agent.
That's true, Ryan. Can you explain to us what some of the important things to look for in a real estate agent are?
For sure. One of the first things you should look for is a very high level of professionalism. Another thing you should look for is someone with a good sales track record and someone who really knows the area. You want someone who knows the communities, the neighborhoods, the schools, and definitely someone who's going to know the prices and what's available for you to buy. The other important thing is to find someone who you can really trust and connect with. So I suggest meeting with a few agents to find someone who you want to work with, because this is potentially going to be the biggest purchase of your life.
Speaking of the biggest purchase of your life, the next person you're going to want to talk to is a mortgage broker or a mortgage agent.
Absolutely. And what would you say a mortgage broker does for their client then?
Well, a mortgage broker works with a wide variety of lenders, and they help their clients find the best mortgage suited for their individual needs. No mortgage is alike, so understanding the different products and solutions available to you are very important. It's very important to find a mortgage broker that has a high level of knowledge of the financial and real estate markets and is fully licensed.
Okay. So now you've got your mortgage, you've got an agent, and you find a house you want. Typically, you're going to want to have a good home inspector.
How does a home inspector's role fit into this whole process, Ryan?
Well, home inspections aren't mandatory, but what they do is they're going to go through, they're going to find any deficiencies or any problems that may arise with the house. And what that does is it gives you a peace of mind going into the house, knowing if there are any problems. It also gives you a chance to maybe save thousands of dollars in case something does come up. It also gives you an opportunity to potentially get a little more bargaining tools when you actually go to buy the house.
Okay, so now you've found your dream home, you've got your financing in place, and you've had the home inspected. It's time to pay a visit to our lawyer.
So what is a lawyer's responsibility when it comes to actually buying a home then?
Well, a lawyer is basically going to handle all the legal stuff that needs to take place when purchasing a home. Executing the searches, providing title insurance, and anything else that might come along, registering the mortgage or discharging another.
So would you say you also need insurance then too?
Well, typically to get a mortgage you have to have fire insurance to protect the property, as that is the security against which is being lended upon.
Okay, so now you've got your home and you're about ready to move in. Say your friends aren't available or you don't have a truck, you might want to also look into a moving company.
That's so true, Ryan. Well, hope that answers your question, Chris, and thanks for joining us today on the Real Estate Drive-Thru.
See you next time.